To focus on turning, we can get Tracy to make lots of shapes. We can see a triangle and a square being made here, where the triangle, starting on line number 9, we're repeating 3 times, going forward, and then turning left a specific amount, 120 degrees. Now, the reason it's 120 degrees is because if we want to find the angle of any shape, we simply need to divide 360 by the number of sides. So a triangle has 3 sides, so 360 divided by 3 gets you 120, which is why we are turning left 120 degrees. Now to make a square over here, we drew this square for eye in range 4. A 4-sided shape, we would do 360 divided by 4, which if you didn't want to do the math on that, you could just have Tracy print out the answer. So I can type print, and then in the parentheses, just do the math. And if I run that, it'll appear that 90 is what a 4-sided figure would need. So on line number 4, we are turning left by 90 over here to make a square. So your goal is to run this program. Also notice that I'm using goto to move this as opposed to set position. That's another way to move around with less spelling. And your goal is to try and draw a pentagon. Try to figure out the number of repeats. You can do forward to any amount that you want and figure out how far left to do with this idea of 360 divided by the number of sides. Then, when you're done, move on to the sandbox or creating multiple shapes that you'll see in Schoology. And what's kind of cool about this is you click run and nothing happens initially, but a question appears down here that you have to provide input for. So I can write over here, enter a number of sides. So if I typed in 3 over here and I hit then enter on my keyboard, it is going to go ahead and draw, and then it prints out the inner angle of this 3-sided shape is 120 using that exact formula that I just showed you. So play with this and take a look at how we're drawing that polygon. Notice that the angle that's being used is simply whatever you ended up typing. I typed in 3. It then used 3, left 3, and we made a triangle. So play with it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Okay, fine, I'll do the hand thing.